In the world, there are a large variety of animals. A lot of them may look beautiful, but can be incredibly dangerous. Others look like they came out of a horror movie. We all know the giraffe, the lion, the bear, cats, etc. But have you ever heard of a bat that looks like Yoda? Hello, I'm Alan Karim, and I and my partner Jair Huesca are going to talk about the strangest animal in the world. Let's start.
In the number 9, we have the eye. They have a dark and brown body and are distinguished by the long tail. This peculiar animal lives in Madagascar. They are characterized by their big eyes and long fingers. The eyes have thin nails on the top on your legs and allowed to climb trees. Tell me, can you hear of this peculiar animal?
The jovial crocodile. This animal is a species of alligator that can weigh up to 900 kilograms and reach up to 6 meters. Even if it looks a little creepy, there is nothing to be afraid, because this animal doesn't approach human. It is very intelligent when he's hunting. Its peculiarity is its strange snout. It is very thin and long than the other alligators. What would you do if you find yourself with this animal?
The golden poison frog. This small book-bearing amphibian can be very cute, but in reality this small animal of 5 centimeters. Its peculiarity is its small body size, because in a national ayatollah.
The pacufish. The pacufish is known to be native to fresh waters in Latin America, and also known as the testicle-eating fish because of an incident that occurred. It's a cousin of the piranhas, but differently from them, they are omnivorous. They can eat algae and carrion. The peculiarity of these animals is the strange form of their teeth, as they look like those of a normal human and makes it a little scary.
The broadfish is not an uncommon animal in the world, and it is known to be a siren because everyone is scared to see. This animal lives in the marine region area 1200. It can you imagine kisses this thing?
The coconut palm crab. This critter that looks like it just came out of Jurassic Park is a kind of crustacean. It is the largest terrestrial crab in the world. This beast is approximately 1 meter long and weighs 4 kilograms. This great beast is able to climb trees to eat coconuts. It can also break the coconuts with its giant pincers. In Asia, it is a delicious snack, but hunting is a real challenge and you can end up without a finger. Would you dare to take a picture close to it?
This strange animal is known as the Yoda bat because of similarity on the character. The two eat and look like a Yoda after not sleep for a week. Its time and based on fruit. Its lime New Guinea.
This animal, taken from the most terrifying horror movie, is the goblin shark. This horrifying animal lives in the depths of the western and eastern Atlantic Ocean and in the seas of Japan and Australia. This beast weighs up to 700 kilograms and measures 6 meters. Its peculiarity is its strange mouth that makes its mandibles move forward, making it very easy to eat animals. Star-nosed mole. This strange animal is considered the rarest animal in the world because of its rare nose. It measures about 17 centimeters and weighs 50 grams. Its forelegs are equipped with 5 claws that are used to move. This animal has a great sense of touch. Its nose is made up of 22 tentacle-shaped protuberances. It is found in North America and feeds on maggots. We hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe and like the video. I am Alan Karim and we will see each other in the next one.